Alright, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Pretty nice collectible. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it is labeled Guinness, made in Bradford, PA, 16701. So there's a first look at this Guinness Zippo. It does have a Guinness insert. And it says the Guinness word and associated logos are trademarks of Guinness and Company. So there's the Guinness harp. And of course the Zippo logo. So this is the Toucan. Or several Toucans of Guinness. It's on a street chrome body, and this was made in, looks like K of 17, so it was made just a few months ago. Good stampings, good sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test, a lit drop test. Okay, so it passes the lit drop test easily, as most Zippos do. That is the Guinness Toucan Zippo. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.